Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is you can see here Candy brand 10 kg condensation system dryer machine. This machine not working at all. That's been actually dryer machine. We can start, but we are not able to take dry cloth from the machine because it is a motor rotating noise. It will come, sound will come. But drum not rotating, it is 100%. We know the problem. That's been belt broken. Otherwise, belt came out from the ideal pulley. Anyway, now we have to check what is the exact problem, and I will show you how to repair this machine. We will go to the next step. First, I will show you the model. This one, you can see here, this is Candy CSOEC10TBE-19. This is the model. Now I already given power connection. I will show you the problem. This one I already given power. Now I will start the machine here. You can hear the noise, my dear friends. This is the noise, but you can see here drum not rotating. Because of that we have to remove the machine, and we will check and we will go to the next step. First of all, we have to disconnect the power. After that, we will whatever we will do here. The three screws here. Now we can remove here. This one, it will come like that. Also now slowly we can take it out, this cover here like that. Also now you can see here, this is already a belt already got broken. This is the belt. It is made in Romania. The number is PH 1975. You can see here 1975, the belt number. It is 7 rib. Yes, and we have to replace the belt now. How we are going to replace the belt? No need to remove whole machine. Because of that, now I'm going to remove only the front side. After removing front side, we can replace the belt easy. Because no need to here remove everything. Because of that, now I'm going to remove only the front side. And first we have to remove the here. And we will start from the front panel. Front side we have to remove with the door and all set. Because of that, we have to remove this part, two part here. This one here lock, it will come. While you are going to remove here, this part here having lock, you can see here. After pressing this lock, it will come out. Now we can take it out. Now it will come like that. This lock we have to press, otherwise it's not coming. But both sides are same. Here also same. We have to press the lock here. After that, it will come very easy. Otherwise, while you are going to remove, it will get break. Because of that, now you know how to remove this one. After that, this two screw we have to remove, and we will remove here these two screws. After removing these two screws, also here lock. Don't break the panel. Here too, here lock is will come. Both sides this will come the lock. Here like that. Also here also lock. Now we can take it out. To remove the harness from the machine. Harness we have to remove because here one cable type. And now you can see here, I will disconnect the harness. You have to take the photo, because actually if only the three connector here, 1 3 and 4 5 only connectors. Because of that, no need to, if you want to take, you can take the photo also, no problem. And I will remove slowly. Now it's okay. Now we have to remove here screws, and this all the screws we have to remove. After that we can take this full set. Before that we will remove here downside here, and also a condenser box also we have to remove. And here downsides will come lock nuts. We have to unscrew these two screws, and we will remove all the screws are here. Now it's okay. I will remove the filter also here. Now we have to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, also 6 screws, because the door also we have to remove. We have to remove that one also, otherwise door cover we cannot take. Now we can take it out here. Now you can see, dear friends, door switch, two harness connectors we have to remove. You can see here, this is micro switch. Now we can keep it one side. Now it's okay. Now you can see here, we have to remove the side covers here. We will remove this cover first. All the screw we have to remove. This screw we have to remove. We have to unscrew all the screws. It's not easy job actually. We have to remove. Now you can see here, here the locks we have to remove. Now we can take the side cover. Here downside also having lock here. You can see here, this lock, it will come like that. Also this side also we can remove. Same like that we can remove. Now it's okay. Now dear friends, you can see here, now we have to remove this cover. To remove this bracket here, because we have to enter the belt from here to there. Because of that we have to remove this bracket both sides. It's like that. Now we can enter the belt here. We can enter the belt. This cover here lock, it will come like that. Remove both sides here like that. Here also lock, here also lock. After that it will come like that. You can see, dear friends. Now this blower we can remove. After that it is very easy. No need to remove back side. Because of that I will remove the blower also. You can see, dear friends, actually no any problem, roller and everything is perfect. No need to change anything. It's roller, everything's are perfect. Now I will remove the blower also here. I can use 10 number here, and we will remove blower. And now we can enter the belt here. It's easy. This is idle pulley. Now this is the new belt. I'm going to replace this one also, PH 1975. I can enter here like that. I will show you. It is no need to remove everything. It's like that. We can enter here. Now here we can enter. Now, dear friends, it will come like that. See, dear friends, now I fix like that. Now it's easy. We have to take from here. You can see here. It's like that. It will come. After that, we have to fix ideal pulley here. This idle pulley, it will come. After that, belt tension will come here. You can see here, it's coming like that. Now it's okay. Now you can see here, it is okay. We can fix blower and all. This one we will fix first blower. We have to fix this washer first. After that, we can fix blower here. Now we can fix here, and we will tie it properly. Now it's okay. Now you can check here. Now it's okay. Now we will fix here this cover. This one both sides, this lock will come. It's coming like that. Now it's okay. Now we can check it if it is touching or not, but it's not touching. Now first we have to fix side covers. Now we have to fix this bracket first. Also both sides we have to fix here also. Now we will fix here side cover. It will come like that. Now we can fix all the screws are here. This side is okay. Now we have to fix other side. Now it's okay, dear. We have to fix these two screws. It's okay now. Now we have to fix front side only. Now it's okay. Now all the lock came actually, otherwise it's not fixing properly here like that. This you can see the alignment. It is okay, perfect. Now I have to fix 2 screws are here. यार स्क्रू नहीं और एक स्क्रू देखो जी. Now it's okay. Now we can check with the power. I will give the power connection again. I already given power. I select sports. I will start the machine here. Yes, dear friends, you can see machine is running well. Machine is running well. No any problem. I have to fix top cover only. After that my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.